Honestly, the phrase giving zero fucks doesn't do the following clips justice. I hereby declare that these are for people who give anti-fucks.
هاي محمد شجر. وجعان.
Generally, the amount of fucks given has a direct correlation with the amount of shit going down. This man, however, has the ability to maintain a steady level of no fucks given. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep your eyes peeled for great videos on the internet so you can help us build more compilations. Thanks to Mr. Panda 834 for sending in the clips for this one.